Hey everyone, and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cartoon shark. Now when you get started over on the left side, we're going to draw a curve going up towards the top of the back and then down towards the tail. So let's start on the left side. Start by curving up towards the top. We'll curve the back and then come down towards the tail. Now let's go back to the left side and draw a curve for the top edge of the mouth. So we're going to start out here, we're going to curve down, and I'm just going to pull that up towards the corner of the mouth. Up here, I just want to draw a little bracket in the opposite direction. So stepping up, curve down in towards the mouth, and then up. Now let's draw the lower part of the mouth. At the bottom of this curve, I'm going to come down, and I'm just going to pull that back up towards the top corner of the mouth. Let's add some sharp teeth. Starting from the bottom, I'm going to draw a straight angle line going up towards the top. Then we'll angle back down towards the bottom. We're going to repeat this all the way up towards the corner of the mouth. Go up and then down. Now we're going to move up and draw in the eye. We're going to start in the front of the eye. We're going to draw a curve going up and then out towards the right. I want to tuck a half circle in behind the eyelid. So from this line, I'm going to step up and draw in a half circle, going around and then back up. We're going to push the pupil over towards the right side. So right here, we're going to draw a circle, going around and then back down. Let's fill the pupil in black. Now let's go back to the front of the eyelid, draw a curve going out and then up. Now I'm going to give him a little bit of an eye bag. Starting from the inside of the eye, we're just going to curve down and underneath the eye. From the front point of the head, we're going to step in and draw a sideways oval for the nostril. And we're going to fill that in black as well. Now let's draw in the lower part of the body. Starting from the outside of the mouth, we're going to curve down, coming down and over towards the right. We're going to stop right about here. We're going to overlap the fin on top of the body. So right here, we're going to step up, curve down over that line, and then pull that back towards the right. Now we're going to draw in the back of the fin. From this point, we want to taper it so it gets wider as you come up towards the top of the fin. Now we want to continue this curve of the body in behind the fin. We're going to continue going up. We're going to stop right about here. We're going to add a smaller fin right here. Stepping up, curve down over that line and back. And then again, we're going to taper that back up. Again, let's continue the curve of the body, going up towards the tail. We want to leave a little bit of space in between the top and bottom. Now let's draw in the tail. Starting from the top, we're going to curve up and over towards the right. Now let's go to the bottom and curve in the opposite direction, coming down and then out. I want to connect these 2 points with a curve coming in, but we're going to leave a little space for a notch. Starting from the top, we're going to curve in and then down. Right here, let's draw in a sideways V, coming in with a straight line and then back out. Now we're going to continue that curve, coming down towards the bottom tip of the tail. Now we're going to see the back fin in behind the body. So we're going to take this curve, step over, just going to duplicate that, and then tapering it back up underneath the body, going out and then up. Now let's move up to the top of the body and add the large fin. Starting at the top of this curve, we're going to go up and over towards the right, to right about there. Now we're going to curve this back down in behind the body, coming down. Now I want to draw a trim around the lower part of the body. Starting from the tip of the face, curve down underneath the nostril, and we're going to go up in between the eye and the mouth. We're going to curve around the corner of the mouth. Now I'm going to bring this in towards the top front edge of the fin. Curve down and then over. I want to continue that trim underneath this fin towards the tail. So from the top of the fin, we're going to step down, curve across, and up towards the bottom edge of the tail. Now the last thing we're going to do is add a few gills on the side. Starting up here, we're going to draw a curve, going over towards the right, and then back towards the left. We're going to move over and draw a smaller curve. And we'll step over one more time and just draw a smaller curve inside. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's our cartoon shark. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.